You guys are very familiar with fan pages. There are hundreds of thousands of followers. It can even reach millions of followers. Like this, you want to follow a fan page. If you see the number of followers, it's as big as this, we will all feel that it is a fan page. That's why most of the fan pages. This will require an initial amount of follow called a book. Follow me from the beginning. Hey, even on my personal Facebook pages. In the beginning we will have. You will also need to have a number of followers. It's certain. To create credibility. It's like building your own personal brand. Today I will show you how to do it. We go to the website as doll. Boost like 24/7.com. This website is completely public, and you just need to deposit here. When there's money, people just go in. This Facebook service. Then we go to this Facebook book. Choose your own sub and sub fan page. Sub means subscribe, which means follow. Here, we just need to enter the link of the fan page or the link to your personal Facebook page. Here we will have some servers. You can find this below depending on the price. Each server read it carefully for me. It has a minimum of 1,000 and a maximum of 40,000 servers. Server 6 is a day. You can book up to 1 million followers. However, people will need money here. People feel the server. Whatever is suitable, that server. The way to do it is, it's very simple, and it handles itself very quickly. From a minimum of 100 to a minimum of up to. Minimum of 100 up to a maximum of a million. Follow a day. It's all completely manageable. And when people put numbers in here, it's going to cost money. For everyone down here, it's very simple to get 100. The kitchen has millions of followers.